Welcome back. It's day 6 of the December Day Trading Challenge. I am your host, Racky. We are on the road to Racks. It is currently 8:22 a.m. Central. We have 8 minutes until the market opens. Today I've changed it up a little. I'm standing. I actually have a standing desk. So I put it all the way up because the past 5 days I haven't really moved. I've sat there for maybe 4 to 6 hours straight, multiple days in a row, without taking a break, staring at a screen. It hasn't been that healthy, I admit it. So I need to stand because my legs, my body needs to just move around. Like I need some Isaac Newton right now. Like we need some physics. We need a ball in motion stays in motion, a ball at rest stays at rest. Whatever it takes to succeed, we'll do it. If standing somehow makes me feel superstitious and I think that the market's gonna go up, great. The truth is that I know that it has no effect on stocks, but it does make me feel better standing. So that's why I'm doing it. Now it's time to dive on in to day 6 of the December Day Trading Challenge. Okay, so we have a middle of the day update. KSHB is having an awful day again, 2 days in a row. It is now down 5.68%.
To give you an analogy, that's the market, and that's me. That's just wrecking me.
Any way you look at it, with the 1 day chart, 5-minute candles, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, a lot more red than there is green. The reason why this is occurring is because there's a gigantic sell size for 18,000. The fact that I even see a 0.89 for a bid and it's much larger than this, we're about to shoot down. I'm not sure if this is like where every day trader would say get out. But then I'm also fighting, if I sell right now, did I panic sell? And then tomorrow and through the rest of the week, the stock goes back up. That's why if you don't have a process, you're really just gambling. I've made up my mind. We're going to take a lot out right now. We should have sold it earlier. We didn't. That's okay. Let's take out 4,000. Boom. Now that we have sold off the majority of our KSHB, we're going to start focusing on other trades, other positions, other things that we can do with the money.
So I took a break, day trading challenge. Just looking at the screen all day was getting to me. I had to get out in nature.